SSV Works RZ3 GBSB10 is a 10-inch sub-enclosure that replaces the factory glove box in all Polaris Razor XP1000s or 15 and newer Razor 900s. Follow the instructions provided with the enclosure to disassemble the dash and remove the factory glove box. From the footwell, lift the enclosure into place and loosely secure the top two plate brackets with the provided hardware. On the bottom of the enclosure, line up the L bracket with the factory bung and secure with the provided screw and washer. Next, tighten the top 8 plate screws by hand to secure the top 2 plate brackets. Tension the plates until they are firmly in place. The spring plates will conform to the gap. Finally, route all cables away from any moving parts or heat sources and connect to your amplifier. SSV Works. Make some noise.